everyone, my name's Laura and today I'm going to do a really cute and easy DIY shirt video. I've seen a couple different videos online. One shirt that I wanted to try was you cut it up and you make all these kind of designs and stuff, but I realized that I do not have time or the patience for that. So I have two other shirts that are really easy to help me tell you guys all about it is my daughter Alyssa.
Hey!
The first shirt we're going to do is the paint DIY shirt. You can see that it's
this was actually made for my brother Sean, but he didn't like it, and I kind of wanted it because it looks beautiful. It's space. He loves space.
That's right. I did make it for my son, but he's kind of picky about his clothes, so Alyssa said that she would wear it and show you guys today. So what you do is you basically just get a plain colored shirt. Stencils, I actually used my Cricut to print out the space because he loves the planets. So
she printed it out with the outlines, and then she put it on the shirt, and then she like flicked paint. And then
I have to get to that. So you just print out any kind of design that you want. I did notice that the smaller the lines, the more likely that the paint is going to get underneath it. So you want to pick out designs that are a little bit thicker. Actually, this shirt as well. I'll tell you about that in just a minute. But the great thing about these shirts is all you need is a shirt, a stencil of any sort, a paintbrush, and any paint you want. I picked out actually 3 colors. This one has black, blue, and purple for space.
As you can see.
And what I did is I saw in a couple videos that people actually have fabric paint. Not fabric paint, but paint, and there's something that you can actually put in the paint to make fabric paint. What I did is actually I just put a couple drops of water to make it a little bit thinner so it runs a little bit more. And then you just take it, and I didn't do the tapping. You just take it and you tap it. I actually used my finger to flick all the bristles, and it gave you a lot more small paint splatter and some even bigger pieces. So I really, really liked it. Another shirt that she wanted me to make her was this one. And as you can see,
this has an A.
The A was very thin. So I just took a fabric marker that I did have and highlighted the A. And she wanted a heart on the back. So this just gives it a little bit of extra instead of if you have a whole bunch of white shirts. I am notorious for wearing solid colored shirts, so I'm trying to get away from that. So I took 4. I actually have some right now. I have 4 shirts that I was like, well, let me see what I can do. This shirt actually was the first shirt that I did. Like I said, I got my design from my Cricut, and it turns out with this shirt, all you need is a plain color T-shirt, any design that you want, and just a bottle of 50/50 water and bleach. It was super fun.
Wow.
I saw a lot of really cute designs and shirts and stuff like that people have done, and I really wanted to try it, and it really is super easy. Unfortunately, because the design that I picked, it was thin lines, it almost entirely bleached underneath the design, so I could only see a little bit of the outline. So what I did is I just took like on the shirt that I made for Alyssa, I took a fabric marker that was about the same color as my navy blue shirt and just kind of went over the lines, and you can barely tell, and I really, really love the way that it turned out. On the other ones, all I did was put a piece of cardboard in the shirt so it didn't go onto the back of the shirt. I wanted all the colors to be solid on the back. And then I just took,
I think it's white paint, right?
I just took the bleach and sprayed it on there as much as I wanted. Just got really cute with that. And then
this one looks like the sky, and these like the clouds.
The sky.
That's what it looks like.
So I haven't quite, actually with these shirts, I didn't have time to do the other part. This is just step 1 that I wanted to do. I laid them out. I put bleach on them for probably less than a minute. It was really fast except for the red one. The red one I probably should have left it on there just a little bit longer, but I didn't want it to be too much. So with the red shirt, since it has a little bit of the light red, I'm going to add color to. Okay, next I'm actually going to be doing the same thing as I did with the paint shirts. I'm going to take a little bit of paint and add some color to it. With the red shirt, I'm probably going to add a little bit of blue for kind of red, white, and blue. But I don't really know what color I'm going to use for the other two because I really like them, but I want to add a little bit more color to them. So I'm going to decide then and do the paint thing. But I wasn't able to actually do those right now. We've been really busy with moving, so I wanted to go ahead and do this, and it's a really cool DIY shirt idea. It's really, really easy. I didn't know how they were going to turn out, but I'm really happy with how they turned out so far. So if you want to kind of have fun with some of your plain color shirts, just to add a little bit something to them, it's really easy. Like I said, I just used paint and a little bit of a couple drops of water, mixed it up, and just splashed it however it was super, super easy. Alright guys, so I just wanted to say how easy these t-shirts were, and they really were very easy and quick and a lot of fun. I'm probably going to buy some more white color shirts so all of my kids can kind of design their own shirts, and I'm going to do a couple more of my shirts that are plain, and I want to add a little bit of color too. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!